Good morning. The dollar gave up some of its gains following the U.S. unemployment data on Friday and opened mixed here in Europe today, with the euro, Swiss franc, and the commodity currencies gaining on the U.S. unit, but sterling, the yen, and many of the emerging market currencies losing ground. The mixture movements can't be characterized as simply risk on or risk off, although the record large drop in the VIX index last week suggests investors are feeling relatively calm. With few economic indicators out from the U.S. this week, and the European Central Bank and Bank of England meetings not likely to produce any changes in view there, the market's likely to focus this week on speeches by 5 FOMC members, who may give some clues as to when the Fed is likely to end its quantitative easing program. And also the Chinese indicators due to be released this week will be key. The Chinese data is expected to show an improvement in growth prospects, which could help to support the commodity currencies in particular. Well, today I'd like to focus on Japan. Dollar-yen continued to move higher on Friday, and a plunge following the U.S. employment data was quickly reversed. Yet the pair has been unable to move higher since then. The dollar-yen RSI is at a super high 84.5, while the Nikkei RSI isn't far behind at 83. Looks to me like investors are getting far ahead of what Prime Minister Abe can deliver anytime soon in their feelings towards Japan. I think dollar-yen is due for a breather now, and I'd take profits on this pair. Meanwhile, euro-dollar tested 130 on the downside Friday, but the support held and the pair recovered. The rally is already fading this morning. I expect the market to test the downside for euro-dollar again today. So combining those two, I think euro-yen is in for some further declines as well, and would be a seller of that pair as well as dollar-yen, although the RSI in dollar-yen is higher than that for euro-yen, so making that probably the more vulnerable pair. This is Marshall Gittler, Global Head of FX Strategy for IronFX, wishing you solid trading.